Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're back here again, you know how we go about doing things here. So just get comfortable and let's go through the markets. So in this week's video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be looking through gold and Gbpchf just to see how our anticipated and planned analysis, how it played out, and if there are any more trading opportunities we can still look forward to for the next coming week. So, and remember, guys, all these pairs that I do analyze and go through, I did do top down analysis of all of them. So if you want to see the videos of these pairs, top-down analysis, just go back into the channel and have a look so that you're also up to date every time I do update on the pair. So yes. So with gold, the the week before last, I did do a top-down analysis on this pair, and I showed you the anticipated direction which I am looking for, and I explained everything. So right now I'm just gonna talk about that those moves that we were looking forward to, we and as well as what current moves we are looking at. So I hope you guys capitalized on this. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. Let me just go to the 4 hour time frame. I hope you guys capitalized on this push up, as I did mention in the previous video that we are looking for price to go all the way until the previous high, basically the start of this pattern, and it did exactly that. And I did tell you guys, did mention that I did miss this one, but however I managed to catch the next one and the next one. Let me go to each hour and show you same patterns I always talk about, ladies and gentlemen. The same patterns I always talk about. The same patterns I always talk about. Let me just adjust this properly. Same patterns I always talk about. See, market broke out here, went back a bit. Uh, Market broke out of this pattern here, went back a bit, but my stop loss was below this pattern, just about there, and I managed to capitalize. Oh, also I got another entry right here, another entry right there. This is the other entry I got. This is the other entry I got. The other entry I got as well. So my target was here, the previous high, the previous high. So this pair was a very played out exactly as anticipated. So currently, since it broke that previous high, so currently, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I am anticipating for this pattern to complete. I am anticipating for this pattern to complete. So let me just identify this pattern for us nicely. We have those highs and those lows. So we have this nice, beautiful pattern waiting for us to play out next week. So this I'll definitely be babysitting this pair. I'll be definitely babysitting this pair. And my target for this once this pattern breaks out, my target will be, let me just get this. So remember, because this is gold, it has a higher peak value, so you know the profits are gonna be crazy. You know the profits are gonna be crazy. you know the profits are going to be crazy. So my target is going to be right there. My target is going to be here. My target is going to be there. So how am I going to enter this pair? How am I going to enter this pair? Basically, basically, if you're more of aggressive, né? As you can see, price already gave us the first touch, second touch, and you can also wait for the third touch. So with this one, once you wait for the third touch, né? If you want to enter right here, you can do that. And also, I think, let me just get rid of this. So yes, so this, since this is going to be the third touch, you could enter here. Maybe you have your stop loss somewhere around there and your buy stop there, depending on the type of candle. You see these candles are all rejecting this low, rejecting this low. So you're probably gonna wait for a candle rejection here. You can enter here, and then maybe your first target would be, your first TP would be there at the start of this pattern. Just like let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Just like this, just like this pattern right here. So you see these patterns play out and they repeat. They do the same thing. So this is the actual pattern we're anticipating right here. You see? But if this one gives us a third touch, then you enter the third touch and your targets will be, your first target will be at the start of the first pattern, just like here. How our previous take profit was here, was this previous high, which was the start of this overall pattern. I hope you guys are not confused and understand what I am talking about there. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame and let me continue explaining. So, as I said, your first target would probably be here, and then your second take profit would be there. And also, if price does continue to give you entries within this pattern, you take them, ladies and gentlemen. You take them, because price is giving you exactly what you want. So don't be afraid to take these opportunities. And remember, losses are part of the game. So if you're afraid of losses, then you won't be able to grow your account. You won't be able to grow your account. So this could possibly be our first entry at the third touch, or or you can wait for an aggressive breakout candle. Your buy stop would be probably there, stop loss somewhere there, or you could wait for price to break out, give you a retest. That's the second type of entry you could take, or you could wait for price to just break out and then give you a continuation pattern, and then enter at the break, and then you would hold all the way until this this price here, all the way until this price here, all the way until this price here, because that is our target this push up from this push up I I mentioned previously. See, so gold is looking very good is looking very good. Is looking very good for us this coming week. Is looking very good, and because this pattern already seems to be maybe 95% complete, so we're just gonna wait for it, and we are going to be ready to enter as anticipated. We are going to enter as anticipated. So let me just get a clean chart. Just get all this, and as you can see, I hope you guys can just see that my trading style or strategy, whatever you want to call it, or trading system, is very simple. Just looking for things that repeat themselves, and then I do the same thing over and over again. But you also need to be patient. You also need to be patient. So let's go and look at GBPCHF. 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 FXCA. This is the one I use for my analysis. All right. So if you also remember this pair, I said we are looking for price to go all the way this high, until this high, ladies and gentlemen, until this high. Just go back into the channel and take a look at that video. So it is pushing up, and I like the way it's going up because it's not that aggressive. It's moving a bit correctively, so which now tells me that possibility of price being rejected here is very high, is very high, is very high. So we'll just see how it plays out. We'll just see how it plays out. We'll just see how it plays out when it gets there. So I caught a few trades with this pair, not too many because of the way it's moving. It's moving a bit correctively, so I don't see the point of looking for more opportunities because I don't want to be stopped out. Imagine making nice profits and then the market starts moving in a corrective way, but because I just want profits, I disregard that. I'm not paying attention of what the market is telling me, and now I'm losing my profits that I made, as well as putting my account in a drawdown, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that, ladies and gentlemen. So the first setup I got was this one and this one. I did get stopped out. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I think roughly it was somewhere here by this candle going down, candle down. And I thought maybe it's gonna give me a corrective pattern somewhere, something like this. But that didn't happen. As you can see how the market played out. I just decided to take a break from this pattern, and I looked at it again during the week. So ladies and gentlemen, currently, let me just get rid of this. Currently, what we have is that currently what we have here, price might give us a potential continuation pattern. That's why I wanted to touch on this today. Price might possibly be giving us a continuation pattern, a continuation pattern. So something like this could be a triangle, could be a flag. We'll just wait and see. We'll just wait and see. But however, I am looking for a pattern because you have those two highs joining. So now I'm just waiting for the second low. could be a triangle like this, then boom, breakout, or it could go something like that, and then be like that. So once this pattern does reveal itself, we are just going to wait, but basically using the same uh entry style, basically using the same entry style, either the break until exactly at the break, or wait for a retest there, or breakout and then a smaller continuation pattern, so that you can manage your risk as well, because there's, as much as there's an entry style or entry strategy, there's also a risk to reward strategy, meaning how much you're always willing to risk on a trade and how much you want for the trade. So you can, it can be specific or according to you, or you can be flexible according to you. It all depends on you and what you want from the market and how your setups are playing out. So like I always say, we might have different trading strategies, but as long as we get the direction, the same direction, that's all that matters, because at the end of the day, we are in this for the skill and to profit from our skill, ladies and gentlemen. So until the next video, thank you for watching all the way until the end of the video. This is Chill and Trade TV. And also, if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, click on the link in the description down below. And if you don't know what is an FSC regulated broker, I did do a detailed video explaining what that is in the channel. So everything is just here in the channel for you guys. So just go back, have a look, and learn and get the proper education. Because the reason I did that video was because I didn't know. I had to learn the hard way. And after doing my research, now I have the knowledge and I decided to share with you guys. Because at the end of the day, we are all here to learn and just make a better life for ourselves, guys. Better life for ourselves. So with that said, this is Chill and Trade TV. Have yourselves a profitable trading week next week. Until the next video, peace.